Hey guys, Brandon here, and welcome back to a brand new video here on today's channel. Today we'll be installing Android TV on a virtual machine. Today we'll be using VirtualBox today, so let's begin. Now, on the screen that comes up with name and operating system. What do I call it? Android TV. Since I had named, I'm just going to name it 9. We're going to change it to Linux. Up to 64-bit. Linux 26. 40x. 48. So I'm doing something on my other pin. Do whatever size you want. Stuff. So now, here we are. If you want to, you can click on the settings button right up here. And I might have to do this for you guys. Click up on the settings bar. Alright, so when you're on this screen right here, head over to the system, processors, and put the 4. If you are available to use 4, use 4. Now, you definitely have to put on enable 3D vision or whatever it's called. Head over to storage, click on the disk, and look for your install folder. Sorry about that. That was just something that just failed, which didn't meant to do that, but whatever. Anyway, let's continue. Find your Android TV ISO file. I might put it in the description down below, or you can find it by just typing in androidtv.iso. Now, we're gonna click OK. Now, let's press start. Alright, so when you're on this screen right here, click down click on install Android 886 to hard disk. And it'll come up with all this information. Just leave it for a bit. Now, if you get to this screen right here, click on create/modify partitions. Click on no for GPT. And it'll come up with this screen. Click on new, primarily, on whatever thing. Go down when you see the word white. Type in the word yes and press enter. Press quit, and you should now see your partition, which is right here. Now format it with this one right here, which I'm holding out. EXT4. And say yes. Now leave it to do its thing. Now, if you get to this screen right here, click on it yes to install the bootloader grub. Now press yes to install the system directory as read write. Now wait until all the stuff gets copied over to the virtual hard disk. I'll be back when it's done. Alright, so now it's finished. Now, if you want to run your Android x86, make sure to remove the disk first of all. And yeah, if it comes up saying just force it. Now, if you want to reboot your VM, go ahead. I'm not stopping you. But I'm just gonna run my version of Android TV already. So now let's wait. So this would take a few minutes to boot up. So yeah, so be patient. Well, Android TV loads up on your VirtualBox VM. Oh yeah, my version does this every single time. It just reboots itself, so I don't know why it does that, by the way. Yeah, that's it. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, give it a like, subscribe, and yeah, comment down below. We will see you later.